What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we got Huawei P30 Lite smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of this box. We're going to have a look on the device, what are the content we got inside, and we're going to have a quick look on the feature specs, the display quality, the camera quality at the first glance, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So this is the Huawei P30 Lite retail box that you will find in the market. Here is the mention of the device name, Huawei logo, and once again Huawei P30 Lite, Huawei branding. Here we got some information about the device, that the model we got is MAR-LX1M. There are different variants of P30 Lite in different regions. This one is the Middle East region. So it comes with 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, but in other regions you will also find some variant of Huawei P30 Lite with 6GB RAM. Other difference is in terms of camera specs. The one we got here comes with 24 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And on the front side there will be 32 megapixel front facing camera. While few variants of Huawei P30 Lite got 48 megapixel primary camera and 24 megapixel front facing camera. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Huawei P30 Lite in midnight black, the SIM card tray ejector pin. Maybe in your retail box you will get the case as well, and some user manual and booklets inside this box. And then we got a USB Type-C cable, Huawei 18-watt quick charger, and a 3.5mm earphone as well. So these are the content we got inside the retail box that I got. The Huawei P30 Lite USB Type-C cable, 3.5mm earphone, 18-watt quick charger, and SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is the Huawei P30 Lite in midnight black. Let's switch on the device. And while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs. So it comes with Green 710 processor, Mali G51 GPU. As we have already seen, it comes with 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, 18-watt quick charging, and the battery capacity is 3340 mAh. The screen size is 6.15 inches. It is a Full HD Plus screen and it comes with 84.2% screen to body ratio. So now I'm going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen quickly. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Huawei P30 Lite. As you can see that the screen to body ratio is pretty good. It's nearly 85%. And so first of all, let's talk about the design. So on the front side you will find a 6.15 inch screen with Full HD Plus resolution and 84.2% screen to body ratio. At the top of the screen there is water drop notch provided, where you will find the 32 megapixel front facing camera. Just above the notch and front facing camera there is earpiece provided, and here you can see the proximity sensor in action. As you can see that this device comes with NFC as well. At the bottom there is a bit of chin provided, and you can also see a bit of bezels on the side, but still the screen to body ratio is pretty good. It's 84.1%, and because of that the device looks really beautiful from the front side. On the right hand side we got the power key, volume rockers. On the left hand side there is nothing. At the bottom there is USB Type-C port, a microphone, speaker grill, and 3.5mm audio port. As you can see that this part is very much similar to the P30 Pro. And at the top we got a microphone and the SIM card tray slot. The SIM2 slot can be used as micro SD card slot as well. At the back we got the triple rear camera setup, a fingerprint sensor, an LED flash, and at the bottom there is Huawei branding. The back looks very much similar to rest of the P30 smartphone and the P20 especially. The rear camera module of Huawei P30 Lite got pretty good amount of bump. It's coming out of the back panel, so you will have to keep this thing in mind while putting your smartphone on any rough surface, especially if you're not going to use any case on it. So in terms of design, Huawei P30 Lite is quite premium looking smartphone even though it's a mid-range smartphone. The front side of the device looks gorgeous with huge screen to body ratio. On the back of the device we got glass as well and it looks premium. The chassis of the device used in the middle is made of plastic, but because of the glossy finish it matches with the glass back panel as well. Another good thing about the design of Huawei P30 Lite is that it comes with a 3.5mm audio port. The device we got here is basically the midnight black, but in my opinion the peacock blue color variant of Huawei P30 Lite is more gorgeous and beautiful, especially if you like the flashy colors. But if you would like to go with the classic black or white, then these two look beautiful as well. And now let's have a look on the display quality and screen of Huawei P30 Lite. So as we have already mentioned that it comes with 6.15 inches screen with Full HD Plus resolution, 84.2% screen to body ratio, and because of that the PPI you are going to get is 415, and that's really nice and impressive, but still pretty standard for the mid-range smartphones these days. So the display quality of Huawei P30 Lite screen is quite good as you can see here. Also the viewing angles are pretty good as well. Even if I bring the screen so close to the camera, you won't see any kind of blurriness or pixelation because the PPI you are getting on Huawei P30 Lite is 415, and that's quite impressive for sure. Talking about the software and UI, it comes with Emotion UI 9.0.1 along with Android 9.0 Pie OS. So this is the standard home screen that you will get on P30 Lite. It comes with Huawei Optimizer app, theme, music, video, a folder with lots of Google applications. There is gallery, camera, Google Chrome, and here you will find Huawei's customer care application, Huawei's app gallery, health application, clock, calendar. There is party mode provided that let you sync multiple Huawei smartphone and play same music at the very same time to create a party effect. In the tools folder you will find some useful and nice applications, and then we got top apps folder that will keep adding new applications based on your usage. And then we got some pre-installed applications like Facebook and booking.com. If you go to the settings here you will find lots of options. Emotion UI is a very rich ROM, and this is what you will find on P30 Lite. Lots of options and features, especially in smart assistants. You can see lots of options are provided, especially in smart assistants. You can see lots of options are provided for one hand UI or the motion control or the voice control. We will have a look on all of them in our later videos, but right now I just want to give you a quick idea that how feature rich the Emotion UI ROM is. And then if you go to the system and then about phone section, here you will find more information about the device, that it is P30 Lite, that's the model name. Emotion UI build is 9.0.1. It comes with GPU Turbo, Android version is 9. The CPU used is Kirin 710. RAM is 4GB, total internal storage is 128, and out of which 113.87 GB is free, so nearly 14 GB is preoccupied by pre-installed applications and ROM. Android security patch level is of May 5th, 2019, and here is the screen resolution. And now let's have a look on the camera. As we have already had a look on it, it comes with 24 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And this is really nice that in this price range Huawei is providing a wide angle lens. I don't think you will find many smartphones with wide angle lens in this price segment. So this is really good about Huawei P30 Lite camera. And now let's have a look on the camera UI. So this is the UI you will get on Huawei P30 Lite camera. It comes with night mode, portrait mode, video. If you go to the mode you will find lots of options that you can use. For example, the pro mode, slow motion is provided as well. There is panorama, aperture for creating depth of field. There is light painting that is divided in 3 parts, actually 4 parts: traffic trails, light graffiti, silky water and star trails. And then we got the HDR mode, time lapse, filters, 3D panorama, stickers, documents, and you can download more modes as well. At the top you have the option to turn on the AI mode, moving pictures, the flash, and here is the high vision that provides lots of information about the object in the frame. And talking about the wide angle, you can see that here we got the zoom level, so it's at 1x. If you slide it down, you can see that it goes as low as 0.6x, just like the Mate 20 series or the standard P30 P30 Pro smartphones. So this is the 1x zoom, the regular one, and here we go with wide angle. And now let's take some picture of this tiny doll here, the toy, whatever you would like to say. It's Hello Kitty. So I'm just gonna use the standard mode, no AI or anything. So focusing speed is quite good. Image processing speed is so fast as well. See? So sometimes it's going out of focus. Just now I had to tap twice to get into the focus properly. Let's have a look on these images. This is the last image I have captured. You can see that it's a bit out of focus because the camera was so close to the object. But this one is really nice. This is so good. You can see how much detail is there, and everything is in focus as well. As you can see that the color is a bit different compared to the original object, maybe because of the light effect. It's brightened the environment, the frame, and that's why the color is a bit lighter compared to the real object. Here it's more natural looking because the camera was a bit farther from the object, but still, if we are talking about the quality, it's so nice. As you can see, everything is in focus, lots of detail. Even after zooming in, it's not getting blurred or something. So this is nice. This one here as well, the focus was on the face, so you can see this part is so much in focus. Here it's a bit blurred, being out of focus, this part as well. The camera performance is looking quite good for sure. We have captured all of these images in artificial light inside this room, so we will have a look on the detailed camera review of Huawei P30 Lite, that how good it's going to perform in real life scenario. We will check all of these modes that we have just seen in the camera UI of P30 Lite, and we will also check the wide angle performance as well. But at the first glance, the camera performance of P30 Lite is looking really nice and promising. And now if I go to the recent app and close all of the running applications, here you can see 2.5 GB of memory. The RAM is available now. So after using the device for the very first time, after booting it up and just using all of these random things like going to the settings of camera application, and after that closing all of them, 2.5 GB RAM is available. So there are no applications installed right now on this device. So if you install third-party applications, still there will be 1.5 GB to 2 GB RAM available. But we will do a gaming review and also multitasking test to see how good is the memory management and the performance of RAM on Huawei P30 Lite. But at the first glance, Huawei P30 Lite is looking quite good in every way for sure. If you're talking about the design, it looks premium even though it's a budget Android smartphone. The front side is so beautiful. You can see the screen to body ratio is huge. The display quality is nice as well. On the back side we got glass as well, and especially the peacock blue color variant of P30 Lite looks really nice and beautiful. It comes with 3.5mm audio port and also a memory card slot. And the device is pretty light as well. It weighs just 159 grams. Considering the fact that it comes with a huge 6.15-inch screen and the glass back panel, it weighs really less. And talking about the camera performance, it looks quite good as well. The best thing about Huawei P30 Lite camera is that it comes with an ultra wide angle lens that you will not find in many phones in its price segment. So considering all of these factors, Huawei P30 Lite seems a real good smartphone in its price segment and category. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads of Huawei P30 Lite, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.